Good morning, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day to you. I'm here in Kohio Towers, 2463 Kohio Avenue in Waikiki at 706. So let's have a look. This is a studio unit. It is here in Waikiki. It is a studio unit. 292 square feet of space. The lanai is included in the living space, so almost 300 square feet. This is the restroom. Has nice wooden wall, nice tiles, nice shower head, and then there I am. Hello. And a nice vanity area. And then this comes with a microwave, and it comes with a refrigerator. Plus, the seller put in a 2-stove electric stove. A lot of the units don't have this, the studio units. And there's a nice cabinet, sink. So this is also good for like a vacation rental. A lot of people rent in this building. Very nice floor plan. It comes with the drapes, linens, cable TV. Doesn't come with the television, but cable TV is part of the package that the HOA or AOAO pays. And it does have this closet here, which I think is a great feature. So if you need extra space, so let me get a video of it. And then there's actually down here, you can open this up and add extra stuff inside if you need to. And it's 189,000 fee simple. So not too bad. There's a lot of room. You can actually see the ocean. Peekaboo view, but this is here in so, but it has very nice breeze. You don't need to have your air conditioning on. Some people have areas of the building, you know, where the maybe too hot and they need the air conditioning. But this one has a great flow, and not bad for Waikiki. I mean, 189,000. It's a steal. Yeah, and it has nice flooring, and it seems like it's like pretty spacious for 1 or 2 people. And then you can also use it for vacation rental. It's a very popular place where people rent. Let me just take a quick look on the other side so you can see what the area looks like. I'll have to lock up this unit before I go, so just 1 second. Since this is live, I have to lock it up. Okay, so this is 706, and then actually here's a view on the other side, front. So this is the Mauka side, which is the mountain side, but this is in the back. And then there's like places down here. This is actually a food truck. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if they're open right now. I think they are. They might be closed because the tables are put down. But if people need the bus, this very convenient, and it's very close to all the other hotels, and very close to restaurants, and close to the beach. It's just 2 blocks away from the beach. So yeah, this is has a security guard here in the evenings, and the resident manager here. So like you have questions or whatnot, you can always talk to the resident manager. And yeah, this is a good unit. It's very clean, very spacious. Spacious feel, good enough for 1 person. So let me have a look around again. Hello, Michael Tan. Hello, Antonio. Hello, Matt. Wave to you. So yeah, this is a very well-known building. A lot of people like coming here. They like because it's very close, and if you do vacation rental, you can definitely make money, and the tourists are coming back. They're coming in, and this is a very popular vacation rental building. So you know, just give me a call, 808-940-5897. And you know, I can help you purchase investment or vacation rental or even, you know, you just want to stay in Waikiki or even any part of Honolulu, Oahu, you know, hook me up. I'm Coldwell Banker agent. And again, my phone number is 808-940-5897. I'll post videos of Waikiki. So if those of you who are not familiar with Waikiki, you know, definitely I can assist you with that. Let me change so you can see my face. Hello. I'm wearing the mask, of course, because I'm doing open house. So yeah, it's Sunday and it's Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys are having a great Valentine's Day. Let me turn back to the other side. Yeah, so it's a great investment. There actually, one other person who I talked to is actually selling 4 units in the building, and they're all together. So if you know you have questions, let me know. Let me lock it up so that way I can let you look around the area. Pardon me while I lock it up. So I can actually do live. I can do live, you know, be a virtual tour for you. You know, open house or even like private showings, live, virtual. You know, if you need me to, you know, just call me. And then if you're purchasing out of state and then you're coming to visit, you know, I can definitely look at listings, send you listings. You know, send me your email. Here, let's have a look at the other side again, the Malka side. So yeah, there's a lot of beautiful buildings nearby too, but this is a very good location. See, a lot of people walk by and they come here to Waikiki. But I'm gonna walk you down so at least you can see what it looks like downstairs. Okay, so this is the elevator, so I'm gonna go down. I just have to wait for it. So they do have fob for the elevator, secure, and you have your, you know, your fob. And then they have 2 elevators here. So we're going on to the first floor. And they have security guard on site, and they do good maintenance of the building. It used to actually be a hotel before, but now it's mainly vacation rental, and a lot of people also live here, tenants, or they rent out long term, or they rent out vacation rental, because it is a condo hotel and it is in the zone area, resort zone. So this is actually the lobby area to get to the elevators. See? And then there's a coastal box. And then I talked to the board. He said that member of the board, he said they're gonna put a lot of paintings over here. So this is actually named after Prince Kohio. So that's Prince Kohio. But it used to be a hotel before, and then now it's a building where people rent out or live here, a short-term vacation rental. And there's actually a resident manager on site. He's actually off today, but he's here. I guess you can call him when you have problems or questions. And then the security guard is here in the evenings from 4 p.m. to 8 a.m. And then they have, those of you that surf, there's a rack that you can rent out. And that's Kohio 2 next door, the yellow paint. Not too bad. Good price, 189,000. Fee simple. And here's the laundry room. So big laundry room. And then there's also have on this side they have rental, car rental. So especially like if you have people that are staying here for vacation, everything is convenient for them. This is the back side. I'll show you the back side because they have a parking, 24-hour parking. They don't have parking here, so you have to pay for parking, or you can park by LOI, which is free. So it's public parking here. But most people, they take the bus or they just walk to the beach. So it's very close to the beach. The beach is actually on the right side. So it's like just 2 blocks down. to Waikiki. Unfortunately, since I'm doing open house, I can't walk to the beach with you. But yeah, it's a secure building, very clean, very safe. You know, a lot of people like this building. There's one person selling 4 units all at one time for $799,000 for 4 units, which is not bad at all. I mean, I know it's Waikiki, but you know, think about the rental cash flow that you can get for that amount. You know, I think that's a great opportunity. I'll just have you go look in the front. There's the bus. A lot of people take the bus. So this is the front side, and a lot of people, there's a lot of tourists right now. You know, so I spoke to someone who owns a unit here and who does vacation rental property. He said that there is a lot of people, a lot of tourists renting. So, you know, if you want to invest, I think this is the right time to come in. Mortgage rates are low, or even like have a second home, a vacation home. This is a very popular unit because it's very close, very convenient, very close to the beach. I walked there with my husband when we did open house last time. It only took us, I guess, like 5 minutes. Okay, so I just wanted to say, let you know, oh, there's a food truck. There's also actually another place where a lot of people eat, food truck. So I'll have you have a look. I think they have like pizza. They have pizza. All kinds of pizza. And then they also have local kind food, plate lunch. Oh, they have garlic shrimp. Ooh. And then they have pizza again, and cheeseburger, calamari shrimp. Oh, poke. Here's the one. This is the best kind. Oh no. So yeah, it's very convenient. It's a lot of people, a lot of activity here. Even a lot of surfers like renting over here. A lot of anybody, you know, pretty much, especially in their budget, and they just want a place that they can just walk to the beach. Very beautiful here today. So yeah, give me a call, 808-940-5897, or you have me on Facebook, just connect with me, or you know, I'm on Instagram and I'm on Twitter. I can help you, and I suggest get pre-qualified because a lot of the sellers prefer that you're pre-qualified already, so it's easier for them to accept your offer. Oh yeah, this is the building. One of the bigger buildings. It's Kohio Village. And then there's a Kohio too, but that one is mainly leasehold right next to it. But this one is a lot of it are fee simple. So anyways, just give me a call, and I hope you're doing well. Any questions, let me know. Aloha. Enjoy your day. Happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy your day.